Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy the Binance crypto. It is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the trade option at the middle right here. Now select it. Then here you can find the buy option, simply select it. Then here you can find all of the cryptos that you can buy. Simply scroll, or you can simply search on the search bar and tap onto one that you want to buy, just like this. And after that, choose the USD amount that you want to buy the crypto, just like this. After doing it, simply tap on to select payment method right here. Now choose one of these, your MasterCard or your Apple Pay, and tap on to confirm. Then simply add your card information right here and then tap on to confirm. And after confirming it, you will buy your Binance crypto. And that's it. This is how you can buy the Binance crypto on the Binance app. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.